Okay, so guys, one more product that I normally use in most of my vehicles. This is Soft99 polish. Okay, I think it's a Japanese brand from what it is, the hard paste based polish. It comes in two variants. One is for the dark and black colors, and the other is for white colors, or lighter colors. And one with the lighter colors are in a white box or a white canteen. What do you call it? Whatever. Anyways, so I'm going to use this on the front here and then again on the tank. Okay, this is kind of a bonus because I use it very regularly on my black cars. Most of the cars that I have owned till now are black. The Palio standing there is black, and I have been using this polish on that car forever, and it just stays for like 6 months. So it is a fantastic, phenomenal product that I have been using. So I'll just go with this. Okay. Applying the Soft99. This is a typical wax. It's not ceramic, nothing to do with ceramic, but it's a phenomenal product. I'm just using the applicator and applying it. We'll allow it to dry, then we'll clean it off. I bet we're going to get a better result than the ceramic. I'm not sure, but just another precaution: don't use this on rubber parts because there will be, or plastic parts, because there will be white shading on those parts. It doesn't damage them, but just creates a white shading. Now we'll just wipe off the dried wax and let's see how it goes.
So we have been hearing in the when you go to service station, they keep on saying that gaadi wax karna hai. So is this the same one they are referring to?
Look at this.
Oh, this looks great. Lovely.
Look at this. Now touch this and then touch this. It's better than this.
Yeah, this looks quite smooth. Very smooth.
This is the beauty of Soft99.
Oh,
Just cost $700 or something. It will last you for 5 years. And yeah. So when you're doing it on your Baleno, use Soft99.
okay, fine. But for Baleno, then we have to first use all the things which you apply the white paste and then do this, or you can apply directly?
We should apply the white paste and then use. Oh boy, the finish is to die for. We'll do it on the tank.
Okay.
Okay. I actually wanted to test it against the ceramic that I have done, but I believe Soft99 takes the cake. Someone once told me that it's like a hidden gem used by detailers, like the DIY detailers. And
This looks really great.
phenomenal polish.
I can vouch on that, Kevin.
Yes.
It looks fantastic.
Looks better than the ceramic, right?
Yes, definitely.
This is just what I wanted to test. But it takes a lot of elbow grease, we have to rub it. So
Okay.
let's just do it on the tank. Yeah. So this is how it's going to go. So your tank gets double protection. And now it will actually give me better droplet formation, is what my understanding is, what my feeling is. So let's just do that. Let's apply it on the tank, apply it completely, and then wipe it off. And unlike other waxes, it doesn't take a lot of effort to wipe it off. Hold on. Yeah, there you go. Doesn't take a lot of effort to wipe it off, but you do have to take some effort. So, how do you like the wet look?
It's damn sexy. Really great.
Right?
I can just, I'll just show you the work which KV has done. It's awesome. I'll just show you the finish and the shine you can see. I'm purposely taking around there.
Amazing.
So let's hear out from KV now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Amit Nikam, this goes out to you too. thanks for the guidance on the compounds, but I also wanted to compare it. I used your compounds and I also wanted to compare it with the Soft99 that I have been using, and I believe the Soft99 polish gives a better finish compared to the ceramic coating thing, and it is not too expensive too. It's probably $1,000 for that particular box or dabba of Soft99, and it will last you for at least 4 years or 5 years, for as long as you want to keep the car. The Meguiar's cutting compound is a must. That is a good thing to have in case of older cars or older motorcycles where the paint has deteriorated. A lot of people also use de-waxing, or rather a declaying, not de-waxing. What am I talking? A declaying thing, declaying solutions, to remove all the grit and grime from the paint surface. I have never used it, and I don't do detailing to that extent. But whatever polishing, DIY I do, I've used the Soft99. I've been using it for almost the last 15 years. And it works, man. It just works. It takes you around 15 minutes to get it done. Wash the surface, treat it with the cutting compound once. If your bike is old, if it is new, you don't need the cutting compound. There will be just swirl marks. Those will be taken care of with the polish or the ceramic spray. So just use that and you're done. You don't need to go to a professional ceramic coating shop to spend like 3,000 rupees on this. This does not cost you even 500 rupees if you actually look at it, right? And some half an hour of your time on a weekend. That's it. Ciao.
Great.
Leave some comments and let me know if I did any mistakes, and I'll take care of it in the future. But this is how I do it normally when I use my hands.